Did you know that 70% of chronic diseases are preventable with a healthy diet? It's bonkers, isn't it? The power to live a longer, happier life is sitting right there in our kitchens. Right then, let's get straight into it. Let's talk about the healthiest foods on the planet, the ones that boost well-being and longevity. These real foods can change your life. We'll bust myths, keep it simple, and show you practical foods to get into your kitchen now. Let's keep it simple. Now, I know what you're thinking. It can be a right old muddle out there, can't it? 1 minute fats are the enemy, the next they tell you to load up on avocados and nuts. One diet yells no carbs, another says whole grains are the key. All this conflicting info makes people feel confused, and when we're confused, we often just give up. Back to what we know, even if it's not doing us any good. The truth is, many diet fads and myths are just trying to sell you something. They make it complicated on purpose. Forget it. We'll keep it simple. Good food isn't about weird rules or cutting out groups you love. It's about balance, color, and common sense. Look at places where people live longest. They eat simple, local, fresh food and cook from scratch. They share meals and enjoy every bite. That's the real secret. So let's make a pact. Ignore the crazy headlines and focus on what truly works. We're stripping it back to real food, simple, beautiful, and something anyone can start today. Alright, let's talk about the superstars of the food world. These are my go-to heroes, packed with goodness and taste incredible. First up, leafy greens, spinach, kale, rocket, chard. These guys are powerhouses, full of vitamins A, C, K, iron and calcium that keep bones and energy up, plus fiber for your gut. Next on the list are berries, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries. They're packed with antioxidants, little bodyguards for your cells, helping fight disease and keeping your brain sharp. Now let's get nutty. Almonds, walnuts, chia, flax. They're loaded with healthy fats, protein, fiber, brilliant for your heart and brain. A small handful does wonders. Last but not least, legumes, beans, lentils, chickpeas. Cheap, versatile, packed with protein and fiber that feed your gut bacteria, linked to immune and mental health. Sprinkle nuts on salads, stir seeds into yogurt, mash chickpeas into dips, bulk stews with lentils. Blend berries and greens into breakfast smoothies for an easy nutrient boost. Keep these staples in your pantry and do a little meal prep. Small choices stack into big gains over time. Okay, are you ready for my surprising super healthy food? It's spirulina. I know it sounds strange and it looks a bit weird, but don't be put off. It's one of the most nutrient-dense foods, a complete plant protein with over 60% protein by weight, plus B vitamins, iron, copper, and magnesium. It's full of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds like phycocyanin. Studies show benefits for cholesterol, blood pressure, and blood sugar control. You can buy it as a powder. A little goes a long way because of the strong taste. Add a small teaspoon to a smoothie with banana, spinach, and pineapple or mango. You won't even taste it. Or stir it into juices, sprinkle on salads, or mix into energy balls. Give it a go. Your body will thank you for this green boost. Start small, try it in a smoothie, and see how you feel. It's a powerful addition to an already great diet. Recap: leafy greens like spinach and kale, berries, nuts and seeds, legumes, and our secret weapon, spirulina. Small additions every day lead to big gains over time. Cook with love, eat a rainbow, and your body will thank you. Tell me, what are your favorite healthy foods? Drop a comment below with your secret ingredient. If you enjoyed this, check out our other nutrition videos and subscribe for more. Let's build a community that celebrates real food.